Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you update your Verizon G300 router. So here's a guide for your troubleshooting steps to update your firmware and reboot it. Step 1. Check your firmware version. Connect your device to the G300 router. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.1.1. Sign in with the router's admin password. On the status page, look for firmware version to see the version currently installed. If you want to get the latest firmware, you need to make sure the G300 is connected directly to your Verizon Fios ONT and has an active internet connection. Leave the router powered on and connected. Restart the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait for several minutes for the router to reconnect. If a firmware update is available for your router, Verizon will install it automatically. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.